spreads a gentle glow. Soft light touches all I know. A small table, quiet steam, moments caught inside a dream. No need to hurry, no need to chase. Everything finds its steady place. I hold this calm, I hold this light. In every glance, in every sight. Not for the taste, not for the show, just being here, letting it flow. Bread warms softly on the side. Sunlight bends where shadows hide. Nothing loud, nothing to claim, only the simple, steady frame. I hold this calm, I hold this light. In every glance, in every sight. Not for the taste, not for the show, just being here, letting it flow. Even if the world runs fast, this quiet glow is made to last.